Yo, what's up, team? I hope y'all having a good time. Yeah. Today is giveaway time. I know I wanted to do it on Sunday, but I've not done it. So yeah, let's do it today. Let's go. So you can win $100 plus the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus lifetime membership in the Inner Circle, and of course lifetime updates to the Genius Trading Masterclass and everything. Like, if you win, you're in and you got some money to start trading, but you should start on a demo account first to prove that you know what to do, and then you start with real money. Okay, so we got 4 videos that I'm gonna pick some winners on this one. On this video I'm gonna pick one winner. We have around 490 comments over here, so let's see what we have. I'm gonna filter duplicate users so everybody got the same chance. We have 262 unique commenters, and yeah, let's start the raffle and see who's the winner. So the winner is Arthur. Money management is gold. You're right, bro. You're right. Drop me a message. Make sure to make a quick screen record video where you edit this comment so I'm sure that it's you and not somebody else who's trying to rip me off. Because I have couple of guys who try to do it, but guys, come on, be smart. Okay, then let's pick another one from this video. We have some comments over here as well. It was a weekly outlook video. Let me just pick a winner over here, even if I think I've not told you guys that I'm gonna make a video, but when I drop a video, guys, just drop a comment, and yeah, make sure to check out the giveaways as well, because I think I'm gonna do giveaways for all the videos that I'm dropping. Whenever I have a video, I'm gonna pick a winner who can get into the masterclass, get some money, and yeah, start this shit. All right, let's go. Who we got, guys? Who we got? Ninja Quicks. Yeah, man, drop me a message, buddy. Make a screen record and I'm gonna send you all the money to PayPal. And yeah, let's have a chat in Telegram. And yeah, check the description below. You will find my the link to direct message me Telegram, to join the free Telegram channel, and what else? Yeah, get into the Telegram channel, drop me a message, buddy. Okay, then we have this one over here where I've explained you how I lost 15 trades in a row but still end up the day with a profit. It was 2 days of losses, and then I've wiped it all out with one good trade. Yeah, that was crazy. I'm gonna pick 2 winners over here right now, because I told you in the group that I'm gonna pick 2 winners. So let's see how many comments we have, and then pick 2 winners. We have 457 commenters. Okay, let's see who we got. So the first one is Asif Raiput. No, I think I love my girl more than gold, man. Gold sometimes is a bitch, you know that, man. When it does this heavy wick shit, man, stop hunting. Yeah, but I love gold. Of course I love gold, because I always get my money back when I stay on my grind. Okay, let's pick another one. Who we got? Omodara Segun. Oh baby. I love you, man. I love you too, man. Make sure to drop me a message, buddy. Drop me a message, and then I'm gonna fix the rest, send you the money, and let's start this. Let's go, man. Woo! Got a new microphone. Hope the sound quality is better now. I hope so. Yo, yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. I wish you a great trading week. Let's see what we have on gold today. cannot see anything, I think. Gold is breaking out to the top. Let's see. On the 4-hour chart, we have a double top over here. Price breaking the neckline. Maybe it will come back for the retest after it gonna go lower. We don't know yet. We don't know, but this is a possibility that can happen. This is something that can really happen. Or it will just blast through the roof. We will see. But I'm gonna see what's up and maybe try to sell this one, because I see a lot of selling pressure. Bullish trend channel already got broken, so I'm expecting I'm respecting that pullback move, and after that we're gonna go target this area first, and then maybe target the bottom of the channel, something around here, 1930, 1920, somewhere in this area could be another target, guys. Yeah, wish you good luck for that one. And yeah, see you soon, guys, in the next video. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe and stay healthy, guys.